In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage key admin settings in Notion for a safer, more organized workspace. If you're responsible for keeping a Notion workspace structured and secure, it's important to understand where the main controls live and how they work together. We'll start by opening your Notion workspace settings, since that's the central place where most administrative options are managed. Once you're in the settings area, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. This is where you'll usually find controls related to people, permissions, security, and overall workspace behavior. Next, review your members, guests, and admins. This step is essential because it helps you confirm that the right people have the right level of access. Members are typically internal users who work inside the workspace on a regular basis. Guests usually have limited access to specific pages, while admins have broader control over settings and management features. As you review these roles, look for anything outdated or unnecessary, such as users who no longer need access or permissions that seem too broad for someone's role. After that, organize work areas using team spaces. Team spaces help separate information by department, project, or function, making the workspace much easier to navigate. A well-structured setup can reduce confusion, improve collaboration, and make it simpler to control access. As you organize these areas, think about how your teams actually work day to day, so the structure feels intuitive rather than overly complicated. From there, set who can view, edit, share, or manage pages. Permissions are one of the most important parts of workspace administration because they directly affect security and collaboration. Some content should be open for easy teamwork, while other pages may need tighter control. Be careful to match permissions to the purpose of each page so people can do their work without gaining access they don't need. You should also create groups for departments or teams. Groups make permission management much more efficient, especially as your workspace grows. Instead of updating access person by person, you can assign permissions to a group and keep things consistent across the workspace. This saves time and helps prevent mistakes. Then review sharing, guest access, and workspace controls as part of your overall security process. This is where you make sure external sharing is appropriate, guest access is still necessary, and your workspace-wide controls support safe collaboration. Finally, check these settings regularly for team safety and organization. Notion workspaces change over time, and regular reviews help you stay ahead of permission issues, access risks, and structural clutter. Keeping everything maintained makes your workspace cleaner, more secure, and easier for everyone to use.